have something special here today for my Tesla Model Y. I've been working to turn this car into the best road trip vehicle ever, and this refrigerator for my Tesla Model Y is going to help me do just that. Let's get right into it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you are new here. We are talking all about my 2023 Tesla Model Y and turning it into the ultimate road trip machine. So in this box right here, I have the perfect new accessory. This is a portable car refrigerator from Tescamp for my Tesla Model Y. Okay, so let's go ahead and turn this box into this. That is much better. So here you are seeing the Tescamp portable refrigerator for the Tesla Model Y. This thing is pretty cool. In all honesty, I wanted to give you a closer look here. We have better lighting. Filming in the car and giving you a full walk around is a little bit difficult. So we're gonna walk around this entire thing before I show you how to install it. And then I wanna show you what we can fit in this refrigerator right here. So let me just give you a look at the fridge from the front. As you can see here, we have a pretty solid build quality. This thing is not very long. I'm just gonna put my hand here for reference, but we've got a door that pops out. We've got our buttons up here on top, and I'm gonna turn this over to the side. So let's take a look from the side. What you can see is that this fridge is relatively deep. And it's deep because this is designed to fit right under the center console of your vehicle, right under the center vent. But it's kind of a perfect space because you're not really using that area unless you want to put storage there. But this is refrigerated storage, which happens to be absolutely perfect. And then I'm just going to turn to the side so you can take a look. Again, this has a nice clean matte black finish. You've got your vents, your compressor in here, and then this little knob. I'll show you how this works. What this really does is it pushes the feet on the bottom of this refrigerator up and down so that you can get a sturdy, secure lock on the fridge into that compartment. And finally, let's just take a look at the back. We've got this little rubber cap, which pops off. And here is the 12-volt plug for your vehicle. This is what will power the refrigerator. All right, so before we jump into installation, let's talk about the fridge itself. Again, like I said, this is from a company called Tescamp. They make some really cool products, especially when it comes to camping, road trips, things like that. I really enjoy this. What you're gonna see here is a full matte black and silver finish. This matches the interior of my Model Y pretty perfectly. And honestly, when you see it installed, it feels pretty OEM plus. But what you're gonna see here is we've got the door. Press here to open and close the door. So you apply a little pressure, it clicks open, and bam, you have access to the entire fridge, and it clicks closed. You have a power button here on top. You've got a ice button, so when you hit this, it drops the temperature to 21 degrees Fahrenheit. You've got the refrigerate option, which brings it down to 43 Fahrenheit, and then you have a heat function. So you can actually leave your leftovers in here if you want to keep them heated up during a trip. And the other thing I'm going to show you is here. We're going to open it. This is the natural resting position, but you can apply a little bit more pressure and it will open it even more to give you easier access. So now that I've got it open here, maybe this will give you a gauge of how deep it is. I'm going to grab some drinks and start to fill this up so you can get an idea of what the actual capacity looks like. All right, so what we have here are some pretty standard cans. I'm going to see how many of those I can fit in here. And then just to get a little bit dramatic, here is a carton of milk. We'll see if this fits as well, but let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to place these in laying down so we can just see how deep this fridge is. So let me go ahead and give you a look here. I have 7 cans of sparkling water in this fridge, and let's take a look. This closes absolutely perfectly. So this is pretty impressive capacity. This could be 7 cans of sparkling water or anything you want, juice, but this is a pretty standard size. So you can get a lot of different variety of beverages in this can size, and know that you can fit more than a 6-pack. And here's just a different configuration. You can see that I have 4 cans standing up vertically, plenty of depth here. And then if I want, I could drop in those additional 3 cans. So I still fit 7 cans of this sparkling water, and I can easily close this. So that's one thing that I will say about this particular refrigerator. Over some that I've seen on the market, capacity on this is really quite good. I have 7 of these standard size cans in here, any beverage you want, but this is actually really cool, and it makes it pretty functional. For a lot of the other products I've seen out there, they just hold too little, and kind of what's the point of taking up that entire space if you can't actually carry and chill or cool or even warm enough stuff. And here's another thing, I'll just give you a look at one of these larger cans. Let's just see what it looks like. So again, as you can see here, the larger can fits perfectly fine, and standard wise, you can still stack. So you've actually got plenty of room. You can do one of these large cans and you can probably stack these little ones on top. It's seriously quite a good amount of space, and I think they thought the dimensions out pretty well, because I'm getting a good combination of things in here. And also here, you know what, I'm just gonna show you, because there are a lot of you out there that are parents that may want to have some milk available for your kids. And as you can see, I have a whole carton of milk in here. I don't think you're gonna need an entire liter of milk for a road trip, but just know that if you do, it will fit and it will close and you will have access to it. So like I said, installation is pretty easy. This thing recesses into that open area under the second vent in the back seat. And then once you have it in place, there are these knobs over at the bottom. They say you need to rotate 9.5 degrees. The reason for that is as you rotate, the feet on the bottom of this fridge start to protrude downward, which presses the fridge into both the ground of the Tesla and into the bottom of the rear vent, giving you enough friction to hold this thing in place. But once that's done, you just plug this into the 12-volt adapter in your center armrest. And once it's installed, I think it looks pretty OEM. It matches the interior of my Tesla Model Y really nicely, and I think it allows for good enough space in the back seat. So I have a Tesla Model Y 7-seater, which means I can move my second row forward and back. So what I usually do is I can have my second row sitting somewhere in the middle between all the way forward and all the way back, and the fridge still opens all the way. You still have easy access to it. For me, rear passengers usually sit in the larger seats. They don't sit in the center. I have 7 seats, so my younger kids sit in the third row if they need to, and the car seats are usually on the larger seats on the second row. So no one ever actually sits in the middle seat, which doesn't block the usage of this fridge. Another thing that I'll call out is the sound. This is actually a very quiet unit. You will hear some fan noise, which I'll show you, when you turn it on and it's initially cooling or heating the unit to the desired temperature. But once it's there, it is whisper silent. There is absolutely no noise. My drive units in the front and rear are louder than this fridge itself. So now that the fridge is on, I'm gonna let you listen to the fan noise for a tiny bit. And that's what I will say, it's not very loud at all. Once it gets to its desired temperature, the fan starts to spin down even slower and you don't hear it at all. So this is it right now, running at pretty much full power. It is very quiet in the cabin. That's what I do like about this a lot. So let's talk about functionality. This thing does a great job of keeping the internal contents cold. 21 degrees for the frozen setting and then 43 degrees for the standard fridge setting. I've found that it keeps the drinks cold, exactly what it's supposed to do, because it is such a small compartment. Insulation is great, and also because it's sitting in an area where the heat has a place to dissipate and that the fans and the compressor have a way to intake air and expel air. It does a good job of doing what it's supposed to do. So let's talk about value. For the price, I think under $300, this thing is pretty impressive. I'll drop a discount code in the description below. But one thing that I really love, again, features and functionality, but the capacity actually makes this thing quite usable and actually really pleasant for road trips. The build quality looks great. I think the style is very much OEM, which I enjoy, and it doesn't really take up as much space as you think it does. No one really sits in that center seat for me in my vehicle. And then the use cases are kind of endless. One, for road trips, having drinks that are constantly kept cold during a long road trip, especially in a Tesla Model Y, which I will be driving a lot, is perfect for me and the kids. But practicality is great, I think, for a lot of new parents out there as well, people that need to breastfeed or need to carry milk for their kids. This is a great option. Like milk cooler bags and other things can get up into the hundreds. This is fully functional, and if you're breastfeeding, if you're pumping, you have a place to store your milk. That's a random use case, but a lot of people are buying the Model Y as a family vehicle as they're growing their families. So this is actually a great tool for that. So all in all, I think functionality, value, design, everything about this thing is pretty great. If it was more expensive, probably would be tough to recommend, but I think for the price point, this is a pretty perfect buy because the use cases are pretty endless. For road trips, if you're tailgating, if you want to take a trip to the park. For me, when I'm picking up my kids from their sports, having cold drinks available for them is great. Sure, you can drop by a gas station and pick up something cold, but I order my stuff in bulk. So having a refrigerator in the vehicle is pretty solid. All right, and that is the portable refrigerator from Tescamp. If you like this content, hit that like button, subscribe for more videos just like this. We'll catch y'all in the next one.